I feel like we're making history with the Raw Promise. It's working. People are really realizing that nature is nutritionally complicated, so we don't have to be. Everyone who uses the Raw Promise is getting results. Those results could be weight regulation. Raw Promise, for lack of a better description, is waste management. That's what it is, if you really think about it. Removing toxins, removing fat, things that build up in our system so that our system can regulate. So if people need to gain weight, they're gaining weight. If people need to lose weight, they're losing weight. But everyone who does it is getting results. It could be health and well-being, it could be vitality, it could be youth, it could be their skin, their eyes, their hair, just their outlook on life. And that's the piece that's priceless. So instead of all these steroidal trends in weight loss that don't work and kill us, we put together timelessness in a box that says, if you do this, you'll get that. And I think that's how nature works. That's how the body works. People are getting together and having Raw Promise parties, and they simply just, they get the boxes, they set them in the corner, they get the DVD, and they push it, and they play it, and they take orders. And so people are really going after it. And the nice thing is the people who are real business savvy know how to keep that going and make it even exponentially bigger. From an opportunity standpoint, Raw Promise is so perfectly timed. Come on, solve obesity and solve money, period. And so we've put together this bulletproof, no questions asked program that people are now using and leveraging the intelligence of their bodies to regulate their weight. Raw food maybe is the only medicine that works 100% of the time for 100% of the people.